It is hard to do a good job when your customer notes are saved in too many different spots, like messy folders or tiny papers. A lot of folks have a tough time keeping up with everyone they speak to, while also trying to keep their business running well. That is why we checked out the top programs made for saving company names and numbers to find the ones that are simplest to use. We want to help you find an easy path to put your data together so your work morning feels much better. Odoo, an open-source modular ecosystem built to unify your entire corporate operation, this setup helps teams that need their sales pipeline syncing automatically with inventory, shipping, and fulfillment arms. It is a great fit if you're tired of your sales data feeling completely disconnected from the rest of your operation. The sales side uses a straightforward Kanban board to track your deals, but what makes it special is how everything connects in the background. You can take a new contact, close the deal, and send the invoice in just a few seconds, meaning you never have to copy-paste information between apps. Since the software is open, your tech team can tweak things behind the scenes to match your exact workflow. They also offer a free plan for your first app, which lets small teams use the deal tracker without any monthly fees. If you want to manage inventory, books, and hiring in one spot, Odoo handles it all. Building on our previous evaluation, Pipedrive continues to establish itself as the premier choice for strategic pipeline visualization and high-velocity revenue teams. Pipedrive is honestly a lifesaver if you want to visually manage your sales process without pulling your hair out. It gives you a clean, straightforward board where you can see exactly how every deal is doing without digging through menus. The real beauty of the system is how it keeps you moving forward, making sure you always have a follow-up task on the books so deals don't just sit there and die. With the 2026 updates, they built in an AI assistant that actually uses your past chat history to figure out your chances of closing and drops helpful tips on your next move. They also added a quick way to schedule multiple tasks at once and an AI writer that takes the headache out of drafting emails from scratch. If you have a hard time getting your team to actually use software, the painless drag-and-drop interface makes logging your daily work feel like second nature. Next, we should look at Zoho CRM, a system that really shines because of how much you can customize and tweak it to fit your needs. It's especially useful for mid-sized businesses that outgrow standard setups and need software that adapts to their actual daily routines. The real brain behind it is Zia, an AI engine that reads the room by analyzing client email sentiment and looking at past trends to tell you exactly when to follow up. They've also introduced Zia agents, which let you set up autonomous AI assistants to take care of specific jobs across your pipeline. Plus, their Canvas designer lets you change the whole look of your dashboard using a simple layout editor with version history, so you can make the software inviting for your team without needing a developer. Because it ties together with your other business apps and platforms like WhatsApp Business, it creates a unified workspace for sales and support. For anyone who wants a CRM they can fully mold to their own way of working, Zoho is an excellent choice. Analyzing the technical specifications, Freshsales provides a robust database structure optimized for heavy data throughput and deep machine learning applications. For organizations experiencing rapid database expansion and requiring automated computational assistance, this platform offers critical data processing tools. When things start moving fast and you realize you can't keep up on your own, having this kind of software makes a world of difference. What makes it unique is Freddy AI, an assistant that handles the heavy lifting by sorting through your pipeline to pinpoint the hottest opportunities. It takes the stress out of figuring out where to focus your energy each morning. Everything sits right in front of you, meaning you can place a call or handle customer chats from one dashboard. It keeps a clean history of every single interaction so your team stays on the exact same page. For the last one, Capsule CRM delivers a highly specialized layout designed explicitly for professionals needing clean database navigation and low administrative friction. This software provides an ideal setup for compact internal teams or single practitioners who must organize client histories without dedicating endless hours to complex system architecture training. It's honestly the perfect fit for small shops or freelancers who need to stay organized without getting sucked into hours of software configuration training. The software gives you a clean space to keep your contacts in order, see your sales pipeline clearly, and remember tiny details like a person's favorite time to hop on a call. A huge plus is how they've built in basic project checklists right into the individual customer pages. This clever design means you can close a deal and instantly start working on the actual project without having to open a separate app. Their 2026 updates bring in practical AI helpers that read through long email threads to give you quick summaries or draft replies, cutting down on mindless busy work. If you want to simplify things right away and don't have a tech department, Capsule is a wonderful option. When you're ready to pick a program to save your buyer notes, it needs to fit the way your workers handle their daily chores. If this video helped you make up your mind today, please drop a comment to tell us which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more CRM insights like this.